Okay, welcome back. So in this video, we'll do some more operations like what if I want to print something like hello. So I want to display hello in my frame. So in last code, what we've done is we have just created a frame. So to see those frame, right click on your project area or coding area and then say run. So you can see I got this window, right? So this is your frame. But the thing is, I want to print hello here. So what we can do, we can just say just close this. Yeah, so what we can do next is, yeah, we can take a label. So we have a component called as label in swing, or sorry, in AWT. So we are talking about AWT, so we'll focus on AWT. We have a component called label. Okay, so again, to import package we have to say Control Shift I. Okay, and select label. Now if we can focus, we have used two components. One is frame and second is label, and both these components belongs to the same package called as AWT, and this AWT stands for its abstract window E, its toolkit. Okay, so this is AWT, right? And AWT is replaced by swing in future. So what we'll start with AWT, then we'll see what is swing applications. Okay, so now to display something we have label L, and again we have to give the memory, right? So we'll say new label. Okay, and we'll give a name, so we'll say hello. Okay, so once we have done this, we have a frame, so we can see a frame, right? And now we have a label. Now what it means is, like when you create a poster, so you can create, like you can tear up some papers, you can create some collage, and you can stick that collage to your poster, right? In the same way, you have a frame, you have a label. Now you have to add this label to your frame, and for that you have to use a method called as add and then say L. Now this L, which is your label, will get added to your frame. Okay, let's see how it works. So when you run this, you can see there is something called as hello. Okay, but what if let's expand this. What if I have two labels? Let's suppose I have one more label as L1. Oh, spelling mistake. So it's label, and still I need to give memory. So I'll say L1 equal to new label, and this time I print hi. Okay, since I have to show both, right? So I will say add L and add L1. So when I do this, now I have two labels which are added to your frame. Now if I run this, now you can see we have only hi. There is no hello here. Question arises why? It's because your frame by default goes with something called as card layout. Now what is card layout? It's like playing cards. So if you have a card like spade, or a card like king, if you have another card like queen, so if you keep queen above your king, you cannot say king, right? You can only say queen. In the same way, now this label is over your label hello. So what we are doing is we are overriding this hello. What I need to say, I don't want to use card layout. Now that's the default layout your frame follows is card layout, which means one component will come above another component. So your hi is above hello. What I want, they should be together. They should occupy half of space of your frame. So I have to change the layout. So for that, what we do is we have to say set layout. So this is your method using which you can set the layout, and it will ask you for the object of some layout. So we'll say we will follow flow layout. Now what is flow layout we'll see in a minute, but we have something as flow layout. Okay, and then we have to pass object of f. Again, since we are using predefined classes, you have to import the package. So we'll say Control Shift I, and somewhere above you can see we have a package for flow layout, which is AWT. Okay, now if I run this, You can see we can see both the components, which is hello and hi. Now this flow layout is like, first if you say hi, if you say hello, it will take this middle space of your screen. If you say hello and hi, both will try to accommodate at the center of the screen, and that's why you can see both are in the middle, right? So we have hello and hi, which is your flow layout. So flow layout is like a flow. If new components get added, they will try to occupy the space they have in middle. Okay, so this is how your flow layout works. Like this flow layout, we have many layouts that we'll see in future, but currently what you have is you have a flow layout. You have to create object of flow layout, then you have to pass that layout in here, and then you can add your labels. But what's tricky is this f object you are using only for once, right? So what we can do, if you are using any object once, instead of defining the name, you can directly say you can create an anonymous object of those class. So what you can do, if instead of passing f, you will directly pass new flow layout. So don't have to write this, right? So this is how you can improve your code. You can to set a layout, you have to pass new flow layout. You have created two labels, and we have added two labels. Identified on this. Now you can see the output. It's somewhere. Yeah, you have hello and hi. Okay, so this is your label, and that's for this video. For more videos, do subscribe. Thank you so much.